Certain self-employed individuals unable to work during COVID because they are sick or they are tending to a sick family member can claim a refundable tax credit to offset their federal income tax. And this is for part of the 2020 tax year and for part of the 2021 tax year. It's called Credits for Sick Leave and Family Leave for Certain Self-Employed Individuals. It's thanks to the Families First Coronavirus Response Act, that big legislative package signed back in March of 2020 that made these self-employed tax credits available. Here's how it works. Eligible self-employed individuals will determine qualified sick and family leave equivalent tax credits using what is called the IRS Form 7202. You claim the tax credit on your 2020 Form 1040 for any leave you had to take between April 1st and December 31st of 2020. You can do the same thing on your 2021 Form 1090 if you had to take leave between January 1st, 2021 and March 31st, 2021. Who can file? Well, to be eligible, you have to be a self-employed individual who conducts a trade or business that qualifies as self-employment income, and you are eligible to receive qualified sick or family leave wages under the Emergency Paid Sick Leave Act as if the taxpayer was an employee. Taxpayers must maintain some of their appropriate documentation to prove all of this. And then you're going to figure out what the credit amount actually totals. And it's equal to either your qualified sick leave or family leave equivalent amount, depending on your circumstances. And the paid sick leave credit is higher if it's you who are sick. If you're tending to an ill family member, it's a reduced amount. The IRS knows this is tricky. They have instructions to help you calculate the qualified sick leave equivalent amount and the qualified family leave equivalent amount. We link to that in the description below. And of course, the IRS gives the caveat that certain restrictions apply. They do suggest you find some help when you're calculating these credits, either through some e-filing software that helps make determining these amounts a little bit easier. There are also some qualified, reputable tax preparers that I recommend, and we link to that in the description below, as well as some of the VITA sites, some of those volunteer income tax assistance centers, and we link to the locator where you can find one of these sites closest to you.